Managing diabetes requires careful attention to diet, particularly when it comes to snacking. The right snacks can help stabilize blood sugar levels, prevent cravings, and provide essential nutrients. Here are some of the best diabetic-friendly snacks to include in your diet. 1. Nuts and seeds. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are excellent sources of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Seeds like chia, flax seeds, and sunflower seeds offer similar benefits. These snacks have a low glycemic index, making them a great option for blood sugar control. 2. Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, which help with digestion and overall gut health. Pairing it with berries such as blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries adds natural sweetness and antioxidants without causing blood sugar spikes. 3. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are a protein powerhouse and contain minimal carbohydrates. A hard-boiled egg makes for a filling and nutritious snack that helps keep hunger at bay and blood sugar levels steady. 4. Hummus with vegetables. Hummus, made from chickpeas, provides fiber and protein, making it a great choice for diabetics. Pair it with fresh vegetables like cucumbers, bell peppers, and carrots for a crunchy, nutrient-dense snack. 5. Cottage cheese with nuts. Cottage cheese is high in protein and low in carbohydrates. Adding a handful of nuts enhances the texture and boosts the snack's healthy fat and protein content, ensuring steady energy levels. 6. Avocado with whole grain crackers. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help maintain heart health and blood sugar balance. Enjoying avocado slices with whole grain crackers provides a mix of fiber and healthy fats to keep you satisfied. 7. Dark chocolate with nuts. If you crave something sweet, opt for a small piece of dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, paired with nuts. Dark chocolate has antioxidants and a lower sugar content than milk chocolate, making it a better option for those managing diabetes. 8. Apple slices with peanut butter. Apples provide natural sweetness and fiber, while peanut butter offers protein and healthy fats. This combination slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, making it a balanced and satisfying snack. Choosing the right snacks can make a significant difference in managing diabetes effectively. Prioritizing snacks rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats while avoiding processed sugars and refined carbs can help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Incorporating these options into your daily routine will support your overall health while keeping hunger and cravings under control.